Welcome to this quick setup guide for level of interest on ATAS. First, download the zip file for ATAS from your backend under level of interest. Unzip the file. It includes the indicator file DLL inside the stable folder for the ATAS stable version, the indicator file DLL inside the latest folder for the ATAS latest version, a step-by-step guide, the LOI color settings, and a link to this tutorial. Next, open your File Explorer and navigate to Documents, ATAS, Indicators. Copy the DLL file for your ATAS version into this folder. Then restart ATAS. The software will automatically detect the new indicator. Open any chart, click on Add Indicator and select TradeNeon Level of Interest from the list. Open the indicator settings and enter your license key. ATAS will now automatically load your subscribed markets and display the LOI levels directly in your chart. Level of interest. See what matters.